So it is time for us to get to sanding so we can get our surface all silky smooth. Oh, behave, babe.
Perfect. Nope.
Well, this one sucks. It lost too much of its grit.
Nope.
Alright. What's good, everybody? My name is Modi. This is ModiMakes, and today we're going to be getting back into it with another custom painted skateboard. I think this is going to be the fourth one on the channel. Yeah, sorry, I was just counting out the other skateboards I have sitting back there. So, because it's the fourth one, I'm not going to do a lot of explanation for this. I'm just going to get right into it. If you have any questions about any of the processes that I've been going through so far or that I will be going through, I guarantee you that they are answered in one of the other 3 previous videos. So check those out if you want to get any of those questions answered. And if you happen to have a question that you don't think is answered in those videos or isn't answered well enough, go ahead and throw it down in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer it for you guys. All right, let's get into it. So I'm having a bit of a struggle with this piece in that it just doesn't want to cooperate in pretty much any way. The colors are acting a little weird depending on what they are. I can't really fully get this background to wipe away from the white charcoal that I use for some reason that I don't actually fully understand, because I'm usually able to do that pretty easily. You can see up here, this paint has started cracking for some reason, even though the other paints I put on the exact same type of spray paint aren't cracking. Yeah, it's just being a little bit of a bee. What I'm thinking I'm gonna do in this here scenario is that I'm gonna lean into the dirtiness of the look. How I'm gonna do that is I think we're gonna do a little bit of some drip painting. So, gonna get real multimedia up in here. Pray for me. Ew, someone got dookie all over my board. Oh, there was some blood in it. Oh, they got it all over my sketch paper too. Come on. I can't have nice things. Well, that piece turned out a lot dirtier than I was expecting it to. Obviously, I leaned into that a bunch, like I was saying, but the style is just much harder to do on a skateboard than it is to do on those clean, flat canvases. So I'm not really quite sure how I feel about this piece yet. I think it's got some good qualities. It's got some things that I wasn't as happy about how they turned out, but let me know what you guys think of the piece down in the comments below. And as always, let me know if you guys have any recommendations for things that you want me to try out in the future. I'll check through them and I'll be happy to try them out for y'all. But before we get into those final shots, let me just say thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it a ton. If you liked the video, then go ahead and hit that like button. That would be awesome. And you know, if you like me and you like my content, you like my channel, and you want to help support me, as always, go ahead and give it a subscribe. I could really use it. Anything you guys can do would help out a lot. Anyways, with that out of the way and without further ado, let's get into those final shots, shall we?
I didn't know I could feel like that.
Yeah. Hello, puppy. Couche, couche. Couche, couche.